Okay, so today we're looking at cylinders. And the easiest way to realize the surface area, the lateral surface area, the volume of a cylinder is to realize it's pretty much the same thing as a prism. Okay, a cylinder and a prism are very similar. The only difference really is that a cylinder is rounded and a prism is not. Okay, there's still two bases, there's still sides. A prism is made up of polygons, a cylinder's not. Okay? I've got the hiccups, but I guess I'll just make this video even better. So, gotta make the video. All right, so looking at cylinders, think of them as prisms, okay? So starting at the beginning, we need to know how to find the lateral area of a cylinder. We got to be able to find the area of the outside without including the bases. If you remember when we dealt with prisms, we thought about that first also. Well, to find the lateral area of a cylinder, we find it the same way we did with a prism. We need to find the perimeter of the base and multiply it times the height. So, here, we want to find the lateral area of this cylinder. We're going to keep it in terms of pi. And I find the circumference of the base. So the circumference for our base, of course, diameter times pi, is going to be 8 pi feet. The circumference is 8 pi feet, and we multiply that times the height. We've got the circumference. We're going to multiply it times the height. And so this is 72 pi square feet. To find the surface area, the entire surface area of our cylinder, find the lateral area, and then add the area of our bases. We know the bases are the same thing, so if we find the area of one base, we double it and we add it to the lateral surface area. Find the total surface area here, no problem. First, we're going to find our lateral area. Of course, to find our lateral area, find our circumference. The circumference would be 20 pi. And to find the lateral area, we're going to multiply that by the height. We're going to add 2 times the area of our base. Since the radius is 10, the area is pi times radius squared. So the area of our base is 100 pi. So now, (20 times 18). We've got 360 pi plus 200 pi, which gives us full 560 pi square centimeters. I hate the hiccups. Finally, volume. Volume, just like with a prism, is the area of the base times the height. So find the volume of this right cylinder here. It's right because it's essentially forming a right angle from the base going up. All right, so we're going to find the area of the base, multiply it times the height. The base is 30 meters. So the area of our base is 900 pi square meters. We're going to multiply that times the height. So we have volume, area of base times height, that's 900 pi, times 42. This gives us 37,800 pi cubic meters. That's a pun. Finally here, we're told that the height of this is 45 feet tall. The radius is 55 feet. We want to know how many cubic feet. We want to know the volume. We're also going to use 3.14 for pi. So the area of this, 55 squared times pi. Then I use 3.14 for pi. I got the area of the base to be 98.5 square feet. And we're going to multiply that times the height, which is 45 feet. It's that many cubic feet.